Part 2 of removing the headliner. Enjoy the mess we found.
I just sent my daughter out of the car as we were pulling the headliner because mouse poop started coming out of the headliner. So, and if we had smell-o-vision, you guys would not believe the smell coming out of here. So anyway, we're going to continue pulling. My son and I are pulling this off. So we're going to continue doing that, but in my earlier shots, I kept saying, "Oh, I felt bad about pulling this headliner." Not with all the mouse stuff up there. I'm glad I'm pulling it now. I was bringing up the video just to watch Gabe pull the last piece of this off the front here, and as I did, the whole mouse house dropped out of there. What'd you say, buddy?
I got mouse poop on my hand.
Mouse poop on your hand? Yeah, we're gonna have to wash up. Oh, we should have moved the drill.
I'm not touching it.
You're not touching it? Oh, well, that's what it looks like up there with the bows down, and
Smells done.
yeah, it looks like... Anyway. What's that? Look.
The very smelliest car ever.
Smelliest car ever?
Yeah.
Well, that's why we got a vacuum, right?
You're doing all the work.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
Well, all I can see is your finger in front of the camera, so I doubt you're filming. Come on. Hey, Gabe.
Yeah.
Oh. Can you get me the bolt cutters? I'm just going to cut these things.
How do you pause it? Hit the square.
No, hit the one that looks like a pause button. Alright, that's one way to get it out. And then one last bow.
A bow.
Yeah, there's little bows that hold this thing up. Oh, and there's some wire holding that bow up. The bow didn't fall. Alright. This thing's going in the trash.
I'm not taking it.
You still filming?
Yeah.
Do you look in the thing and see your fingers in front of the camera?
It's not.
It's not? Okay.
Don't touch his bed. He'll probably kill you.
And the mouse, I don't think the mouse has been in here for a while. I don't know. There's still smell, so it's had to have been here recently. But it's nothing showing me that there's any current activity in here.
I saw a solid foot, and it looks like it's walking out.
Nah. Come here. Alright. We got some surface rust up under here.
Let me see.
Some surface rust around the outside. What's that? I didn't hear you, buddy.
I said I did not want to touch his bed.
Okay. Well, I'm glad we took the headliner down because there's some surface rust. I know I wanted to spray lizard skin up here anyway, but
You wanted to spray lizard skin?
yeah, it's a sound deadener material, so it doesn't make this hollow sound.
When it rocks goes thunk.
I hope rocks aren't going to be thunking across it.
That mine.
But yeah, there's some of this rust up here. Surface rust, not too bad. All right, well, Cool stuff. Getting this project moving, huh?
It's going to be a 3-hour time lapse.
No, it's not a 3-hour time lapse. It's a 3-hour of time that we've been out here. It's only going to probably be a minute. No, actually, I think it works out to be about a minute, an hour in the time lapse. So it's going to be 3 minutes of video so far. All right, guys. Took some of that feathery gunk off. Threw in the trash. That's what this trash bag's down here for. And just cataloging the rust. So again, it's just surface rust. Nothing I'm worried about at this point. Except for maybe the stuff that's up behind this rail here.
Wow. So it doesn't...
Yeah, there's foam in there. Probably to stop... Yeah, that's not bonding. That's not bonded to it. That's just foam. That's probably just stop a vibration noise. Somebody beat the heck out of this.
How? Hammer?
Yeah, kind of. Maybe. No, or that just could be the factory look. I just don't know.
No, yeah.
Alright. Yeah, we got to pull this insulation off of here, Gabe.
Yes.
So,
Insulation.
yeah, that stuff. See how I already pulled it off of this side?
Oh, yeah.
Alright, so yeah, we have to pull it off of that side over there. And then, what's the next step?
Popping off the lid. Wait, are we going to even keep that?
No, we're not taking the roof off. We're going to keep the roof on.
What are you doing?
I think after this, if we have time today, what time is it, bud?
4:28.
4:28? No, we don't have time. Mommy wanted us to wrap up for dinner soon. So we're probably just going to do some cleanup.
What did you want to do?
What I was going to do is start taking body panels off and everything, but I wanted... No, well, yeah, it's quick and easy, but I need to catalog all the screws and everything else.
Catalog? You have a cataloger.
Not that type of catalog. I mean, just put them in the screw box that I have.
One right there.
Okay. And then we have to also clean up that pile of stuff we pulled out of here. Why is it, when I think we're done, and it was just the last piece to pull off, that's where we find the mouse house with the dead mouse in it.
Wait, that's a dead mouse?
Yep, that's a dead mouse right in there, buddy.
Ooh, I'm gonna see it.
Well, you're the one holding the light.
It has a bunch of holes in his back.
Yeah, it's probably been up there for a while.